Alright, here's our update for second day going on third day late. So now we're negative days. So these are $150 a pop days. It's just past midnight over there. So we got this whole shelf unit's gone, both sides. This one here over here is pretty emptied out. This one here we got a few empty shelves. We'll attack that one tomorrow pretty heavily. Probably disappear tomorrow. We uncovered the back one back there and we took out another shelf, so that is full. Let's work on that. Counter's pretty emptied out. All the gasket boards and shelves are gone. Still got my Harley sign though. So this is our motor area, so getting pretty well unhidden. There's Scooby's dog pen. So like I said, it's getting there. We're going to be 1 to 2 weeks late, so being going on the third day, it's probably more like 2 days than 1 week. I mean, 2 weeks instead of 1 week. So the machine shop area I've been working on today. This was untouched here until today. Customer jobs and my jobs are just everywhere, spewed all over the place. So right now I'm in the process of packing up boxes with customers' stuff in them. Lots of jobs laying around here that came in, didn't get done. Haven't attacked the hone yet. The milling machine, I flipped it over so it'll fit in the shop. It's a little height. It's 8 foot tall until you turn the head over and it drops down a little over 6. So I gotta get the table down. Someone helped me by breaking my handle off. Didn't bother to tell me they did it though, so. The handle here is now broken, so I need to get a new, goes this way. Need a new Lagoon handle. Anybody got one laying around? Need one. It's an FTV2. Oh boy, I think they're all pretty standard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7 dog. It looks like about a metric shaft on it. I'd call that 5/8, 6/28. It's a fat 5/8. It's probably metric though. $16mm. There it is, 16mm. Alright, well either way, I gotta, luckily going down is easy, so I'll just put a rag around this and turn it in my hand, like this. It'll get down. When you ship it, you want to get all the weight as low as you can, and I cocked the head way over here, so I put the mill vise way over there to counteract some of the weight. So at least that's the plan. It's got a big eye bolt right there to pick it up with. Hopefully that's centered. I'm going to use the forklift to pick it up off the floor. The forklift will come into the building here, so I can get the forks in there and pick it up. When I get to the home shop, I got an overhead crane, so I can use that to put it in the shop. I just gotta get it off the trailer somehow without dropping it. So I've uncorked all the wires, so all the electrical's been yanked out. Got the boring bars all packed up more or less. That I'll take off the table, but that's pretty heavy, so I'll have to have a little. I'm gonna have to have a place to put that when it comes off. It's gonna be heavy, so something has to be cleared, like a workbench or something. It's heavy, so we'll get that out of here. I got the drill press is all unhooked now. I haven't wrapped up the cord yet, but I yanked it out of the wall. So the machine shop is deactivated. The lathe's been unplugged and unhooked and cleaned. Look at, I cleaned my lathe. You'd be happy now. Got everything wrapped up down there. That's in there. Strapped it so the Fred broke my door, so the lock. So I gotta strap it that way to hold it. So once again, I got all the weight on. Crap in the way. I got all the weight on this side and that side, so it should equalize when you pick it up. So So it's all been unplugged out of the wall over here. So some more junk on the floor. Well, obviously all the metal's gone that was under here. Still got a big mountain behind the mill though. So I'm working on clearing out the customer shelves here and some of my crap to the forklift come to here. It has to come to here. So the machines are pretty much ready to go, but we have to make room to get them. So I'm gonna spend the last few hours clearing this stuff out, boxing it, tagging it, figuring out whose stuff is what. A little bit of overflow on these shelves I've been doing too. It's a lot of parts everywhere. So just packing stuff up. Time consuming. Trying to figure out who goes to what and where. This is another Fred box over here. Gonna mark that as Fred. So got tools through here. Obviously all the tooling's over here is gone. So here's what I've done today. Not much. A few things packed up. The press is still works. It has a mechanical handle. But I'm going to have to unbolt it off the floor. It's lagged into the floor, so I'm going to have to unbolt it out of that and then haul it out of here. It's not in the way of the forklift, so I'm not going to worry about it. I'll get the other machinery in the shop first. So like this area has not really been attacked yet. So been back here a little bit working, but not too much. The light is on. Working on that. There used to be a big bolt bin here. It's gone. There's a shelf that was covered up over here that hid all this stuff here. So I uncovered it. So now these are all the parts that have been buried for a long time. So we're gonna haul all this crap out of here too. So anyway, it's just there's a lot of parts in here. This is a pretty big room. Yeah. This is probably 50 foot long at least. Those shelves are 8s. We got 24, 30 down to there. A little over 40 foot. Probably 60 foot time you get the back wall here filled. Yeah, a lot of stuff. So. Got an old couple helped me here on packing cylinders and stuff, so they're all, this is all their pack they did. Ran out of boxes, had to get some more boxes. They came in finally. Haven't really got back here too much yet. A little bit under here. It's all pretty much like it was last week. That shelf unit there is full. It's except for all the fenders around the top, it's still packed. There's my desk. I don't work too much there, obviously. Who calls me at midnight when I'm closed? I don't know. Somebody is. I'll pick it up here in a few minutes. So back in here, we been working away back here quite a bit. So I got another big load and it'll be empty in the back here. Bunch of junk on the floor. So I've just been knocking stuff out here and there. Cleared a lot of stuff out of here, but still a lot of customer stuff all through here. So we're going to work on this. That's not a junk pile, that's my trailer. It's just covered with trash. So we're going to load up these 2 trucks, 2 trailers and a truck there and make a load for the weekend. Got some help coming by the next couple days, help fill all this stuff up. We'll finish knocking off these shelves here, get the rest of the parts off of these. And that'll be able to clear all this out of here. It'll be another load just taking all the shelving. There's a lot of shelving in here. So anyway, we're just plugging away at it. It's going away slowly. So the fabrication area is going away quick, but we still have an air compressor, grinder, and welder. So I guess technically we're still working here. Yeah. Not much more than that though. So anyway, so I cleared all this over here. I took one shelf unit or one drawer out. I'm gonna take another one out here before I head out of here. I got 8 of these, I think, I had 8 or 9. I forget how many I got. 9. Yeah, I got 9 of them. 2 are gone. 2 more are going tonight. Truck's got 1 in it right now. So this is a machine. This is a lathe tooling cabinet. So it's all that goes on one side. We'll fill this other half up with the other one. I'm gonna grab a bolt bend and take it out. The outside's getting pretty emptied out. So anyway, there you go. We're getting there. Get a little help here and there, but not much. But anyway, the help I do get, I appreciate. So anyway, I'm gonna separate some more of this stuff out before I get out of here and knock off the shelf unit. It'll be at least 1 o'clock before I get out of here, minimum. And I'll go to the home shop and work. I got a lot of work going on there. So I'll get some video added for that too, but I did a lot of work yesterday, rearranging all that up. So well, there you go. There's our update for 2 days late, going on 3. I'm gonna call it 2 days late. But anyway, we're getting there.